Alrighty guys, Daryl here doing another RYDLAR99 box break. This time I'm doing a box of 1213 Upper Deck Fleer Retro Mini that ended last night on eBay. That is March the 31st between the times of 7:45 and 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Last unit was Winnipeg Jets ended at 8:14. Current eBay time is 6:50 a.m. on Tuesday, April 1st. Going to do the break right now. Upload to YouTube and circulate links as soon as possible here. Factory seal box number is 195099380. Just remember the 380. I'll open up the webcam for you right now. 195099380. There you go. There's of course a seal box of Fleer Retro Mini. The other half of this master box will go not tonight, but tomorrow night on eBay. Good luck, guys, on Fleer Retro Mini. 3 autos per pack. Sorry, per box, not per pack. We have a Brett Hull Medal Universe for the Dallas Stars. Brett Hull for the Dallas Stars. And a Carey Price 1994 parallel for the Montreal Canadiens. We have a Fleer Medal Universe Antti-Niemi for the San Jose Sharks, Niemi for the Sharks, and a Tyler Seguin 1992 parallel for the Boston Bruins. We have a Fleer Flair showcase of Marc-Andre Fleury for the Pittsburgh Penguins. And Patrice Bergeron 1993 parallel for the Boston Bruins. Bergeron 93. We have a Fleer Flair showcase of John Tavares for the New York Islanders. And a 1994 Jordan Eberle for the Islanders and Edmonton Oilers. I think I might have got ahead of myself there. Skybox autographics of Jaden Schwartz. It is his rookie year. Not a bad one to get. All base. The rest of the way. The autos, it's only 1 hit per pack on the autos. Golden Touch. Jonathan Toews, no numbering. The Chicago Blackhawks. Autographics for the Ottawa Senators, Pascal Leclerc. Pascal Leclerc for the Ottawa Senators. Akim Aliu, Rookie Sensations auto for the Calgary Flames. Akim Aliu, Rookie Sensations auto. There's our 3rd auto of the box. We have a Diamond Tribute of Steven Stamkos for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Diamond Tribute Stammer for the Tampa Bay Lightning. No numbering on the back, that I can see. Last pack. Good luck, guys. For the Vancouver Canucks, we have a Corey Schneider EX credentials. No numbering. And Alex Pietrangelo, 1993 parallel for the St. Louis Blues. So that's it for the break. I want to thank everybody who wants to get for taking part in it. Again, remind you guys I will be live on Wednesday night. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to put up there yet. Probably a 3-box mini, if anybody wants in on that. I will also have 5 boxes going tonight on eBay. Alright, guys? Have a good one.